Bruh.
A lot.
Bruh, that's hot. Ooh, yeah. I see you. Talk to me.
A lot.
Talk to your boy. Yeah, baby. All right, see now, so this the chicken pack right here. Yeah, it's that pack of chicken. They ain't had no shrimp. I'll tell you right now, shrimp flavor,
A lot.
the best flavor. When it come to ramen noodles, chicken ain't touching shrimp. But I tell you what, beef ain't touching chicken. This is by far the worst flavor right here. This is awful. I'm not gonna lie. If I see somebody eating some beef ramen noodles, that's terrible. All right, so definitely stick to chicken. I ain't ate ramen noodles in a long time, in years, bruh. All right, we was knocking these out when we ain't had no bread. All right, but like I said, ramen noodles, you know what I'm saying? I used to eat these things a lot, so I'm finna make the Hood Ramen Noodles tutorial for those of y'all who don't know how to make your ramen noodles. Maybe you just popping these in the skillet, popping these in the water. That's not how you do it. No. You gotta chef it up with a hot sauce at, with a ranch at. Come on now, is you doubling up on the seasonings? I'm about to teach y'all how to do this right now. For real, Hood Ramen Noodles coming up. This is what I'm saying right here. Okay, this right here.
A lot.
If you eat this, more power to you. This ain't Hood Ramen Noodles. This ain't ramen noodles right here. All right, we don't eat this. All right, they got peppers and all types of stuff. No. It's a no-go. But this right here, when it come in the square package with the thin sides, is this square? It's like a rectangle. All right, it's more like a rectangle. The rectangle with the thin sides, that's the one right there. All right, you gonna need a pan or a skillet, pan, whatever you want to call it. You gonna need some water. They got directions on the back. Okay, you gonna open this thing up. Ramen noodles is a great meal. You know what I'm saying? If you low on the funds, hey, pop this in. This got us through it sometime. All right, back in the day.
A lot.
Hold on now. Check the date. Date usually like 4 years out because they put so much crap in this stuff. Hold on now. Serving size, one package. Let me go to directions. I ain't had it in a long time. I gotta read directions again. Because I know what to put in it. Boil 2 cups of water in the pan. You ain't gotta follow that. Yep. Cook for 3 minutes. Until noodles are tender. Remove from. See, they want you to put it in the pan. Wrong. You put it in the microwave. Let me show y'all right now. Now, see, it just came back to me how we used to eat them now. It literally just came back to me. What am I doing with a pan? If you got a pan and you finna cook some ramen noodles, you don't even know what you're doing. That's not no Hood Ramen Noodles.
A lot.
That's wrong. Let me show y'all how to do it. Hold on. The hell was I thinking? Yeah. All right, so I couldn't find my is this recording?
A lot.
Okay. I couldn't find my big tub. But this is a FUD tub right here. This is what you do. I remember now, okay? You open the package up. So you can see this. Have y'all been looking? I ain't been showing that ramen noodles. Open the package up, right? Hold it over. Okay. It's a brick right here. It's a brick. It's a ramen noodle brick.
A lot.
Stuff spilling everywhere. It's a ramen noodle brick. You're gonna break the brick in half.
A lot.
Here the seasoning. You're gonna break that brick in half. Then what you gonna do? That's a lot of noodles, ain't enough seasoning. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna break another one up. This is the sacrifice noodle pack. You gotta sacrifice the pack. Straight up, man. Alright? You're gonna open this one up like a golden ticket. Like you in the Willy Wonka chocolate factory. Throw this away. All we need is the pack. So now you got 1 + 1 is?
A lot.
Hope y'all got that right too. Don't be Donovan. Actually, Donovan would've got that right. Don't be, who's stupid in the CJU? Don't be Dakota. Alright, here we go. So now you got the 2 packs up in there. Now you're gonna put the water up in there. You don't wanna fill it up too high. So you wanna fill it up right to where it's floating. You know what I'm saying? To where it's floating just a little bit. It's floating a lot. When I filled it up, the water wasn't that high. See, that's actually too much water, I think.
A lot.
And you gonna bust it in there for 3 minutes, okay? Now, when that's done,
A lot.
hold on, bro. I really feel like a chef right now. Hold on. By the way, I can really cook this. Just like I'm telling you, I'm showing y'all the Hood Ramen Noodles. When we ain't had no bread, hey, the noodles was there. All right, the noodles was there. Okay, so you a chef dad boy right now, teaching you the Hood Ramen Noodles. Now, when that's done in 3 minutes, what you want to do next is make sure you got your hot sauce ready on the side, your seasoning ready on the side, and if you like ranch, if you want to put some ranch on it, that's a choice as well. But let's get there right now. You gotta check on your noodles, make sure they good. They good. You just gotta check on them. You just gotta check on them, make sure they good. You know what I'm saying? Cause I don't know, you don't want to overcook the noodles now. If you overcook them, they're gonna be tight like asparagus. You gotta make sure they nice, soft, and smooth. So check on your noodles. They nice and smooth now. Nice and smooth. See that? Watch it break apart. This lets you know the noodle is ready. Ooh, yeah. I see you. Talk to me. Talk to your boy. Yeah, baby. Oh, this bringing back the memories, bro. Hold on, this really bringing back. Can y'all see that, bro? Bro, I kid you not, bro. Bro, I probably used to eat like 8 of these a day, bro. Like, so unhealthy, bro. Oh, bro, the noodles, bro. Hold on. We could probably get another 25 seconds in there. I don't know if y'all can see in there, right? Can you see in there? See, some of them they ain't noodly enough.
Oh, Lord!
Right? You gotta get that noodly. They gotta be noodly. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta put them back in there. 25 seconds to do the trick! I can work with that. 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 All right. Spin that joint around. I don't know, man. Oh, shit. I almost burnt my damn nose smelling that shit, man.
Oh, Lord!
You want to leave a little water in there to keep it alive. All right. So the noodles is done. Okay, now that they done, like I said, you got 1 pack right here. 1 pack of seasoning ain't enough. You need more than that. I'll tell you right now, the sodium out the motherfucking roof though. All right, so if you're gonna be eating noodles consistently, I will make sure your sodium level ain't that high.
Oh, Lord!
Okay, you're gonna have to drink a lot of water with this stuff. This stuff will have your sodium, your diet all messed up. All right, so if you ain't already ripped or something like that, be careful with this intake. Like I said, this Hood Ramen Noodles, not healthy ramen noodles. So I warn you, the first seasoning you wanna just make sure, you just throw it up in there. The next seasoning, work the first seasoning in there. You wanna work that first seasoning up in there. Just work it in there, let it know it's here. You know what I'm saying? Get it into the noodles. Make sure it's everybody familiar with each other. You know what I'm saying? Let the noodles meet the seasoning. Think of it like that. All right? Here we go. Get it all around now. Second seasoning, this one you want to get around the edges because the edges get neglected. For some reason, when people put seasoning in there, okay, it goes in the middle automatically. All right? So make sure you know what I'm saying? Make sure you work the edges. I know some of y'all saying he just talking. No, there is a specific recipe to this. See, some of y'all would have still been cooking it on the pan, on the skillet. If you cooking your stuff on the skillet, on the pan, sorry, buddy, not the way you make these ramen noodles. All right, here we go. All right, now you don't have to use the whole seasoning. Like I said, that's a lot of seasoning, bro. A lot of seasoning. Okay, if we look at how much sodium is in one of these? 790 milligrams. Good God Almighty!
Oh,
no, I'm tripping. 1,500 milligrams of sodium in there. Yeah, bro. Like I said, you going through it and you gotta eat. The ramen noodles is for you. That's a lot of sodium, my boy. All right. Anyway, on to the hot sauce now. Now the hot sauce is a make or break. You want to use some Louisiana. Next, you can use some Cholula. But if you ain't got access to Louisiana, use Cholula. But if you can get Louisiana, I get that. Now with the key to Louisiana now, you want to shake it up real quick. Give it a nice little shaking. Let them know I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. We here already. All right. Now the reason I'm eating this, I'm showing y'all this right now. I went and got this from CVS. I worked out this morning. Went and got this from CVS. I've been wanting to make this video a long time ago, bro. Because like I told you, I used to eat ramen noodles all the time. So, I went and picked this pack up this morning. You know what I'm saying? But I don't mind eating it right now because I already worked out. I'm feeling healthy. I'm feeling good. After I eat this, I'm not eating this again. This is strictly for the video. I'm telling y'all. But I'm gonna show you this right here. The hot sauce, right? You don't want your noodles to become red, right? You want it to be like a nice pinkish, you know what I'm saying? You know? Oh my gosh, bruh. Hold on.
Oh, Lord!
Bruh, oh my gosh, I can't lie though.
Oh, Lord!
Bruh, it do smell good though. Hold on, bruh. Bro, this smell good. I can't even lie to y'all, Trap. Hold on. I love hot sauce, so I gotta control myself, bro. I gotta control myself. Okay, see, I might have over-seasoned with the hot sauce a little bit. The hot sauce gonna soak into the water. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. That's the hot sauce. All right, now you can put some ranch up in there. People put ranch. People put cheese. I got some chicken. We could break some chicken down, sauce some chicken up in there, but for now, we just gonna keep it nice and simple. Let me know y'all ramen noodle special. You know what I'm saying? But it's good right here. It's good right here. I'm not gonna force it for the video. It's good right here. Let's take a bite. If it's trash, I'm gonna tell y'all. You see that? Got a little red up in there. Let it focus. 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 Focus. God, this camera ain't focusing. Focus, man. Focus. Let it focus. Y'all see that red up in there? Mm-hmm. Y'all see that red up in there? That's a good bite. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
A lot.
Mmm.
A lot.
Mmm. Mmm. Just like it used to be. Just like it used to be. Oh, glory to God. Just like it used to be. Mmm. Hold on. It's been a minute, but God dang it, I'm back in it. Mmm. I almost choked on that shit. Hold on. Bruh. 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 Bruh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. Man. Man. I still got it. All right, we're gonna stop here. That's a lot of sodium, like I told y'all. Then, good tutorial. We made the vid. Too much sodium for me, man. Like I said though, that's how you make Hood Ramen Noodles. Put the rest in the trash. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. Maybe one more bite won't hurt. Maybe just one more bite. Just one more bite won't hurt. I feel like I gotta run after this. Man. Like water. Ain't even really gotta chew that, the ramen noodle, man. Yeah, I gotta run after this. Yeah. I can feel my sodium levels just, yeah, I gotta run after this. Appreciate y'all watching though. Louisiana hot sauce hot now. It ain't nothing to play with. That's how you make Hood Ramen Noodles, man. Straight up. Stay tuned. Keep watching my page. Keep subscribing. Thad Boy. Join as a member. Join as, you know, join as a fan. Join as a member. Join as a subscriber. Also follow Thad Boy Music, Thad Boy Gaming. Influencer Football League, more coming. That's how you make Hood Ramen Noodles. I appreciate y'all watching. Let me know if there's any more tutorials I want to make, and if I think of some, I'm gonna show you. I've been thinking of this one for a minute. Like I said, we used to eat ramen noodles all the time, so that's that. All right. So with that being said, Thad Boy, ow.